thinking that I could have done some.
Welcome back again, ladies and gentlemen. Paul Chamberlain, the Air Force guy, here at that Tampa RV show. And boy, do I have something awesome to show you. But listen, if you're in the market for an RV, regardless of what it is, be sure that you call the best. That's me. Number's right there, okay? You deserve to deal with the best. So this is the XLR Nitro. And I'll tell you what a floor plan this is. I think they knocked it out of the park with this one, folks. Let me show you. And of course, right now I'm standing back on the party deck. MoreRide has put together quite the unique setup for those of you that have party decks, and they set up rather easily. All you do is blow it up. Let me kind of show you what it looks like here. I'm gonna turn it around. So as you can see, you have a fully enclosed party deck now with privacy shades. You have screens for the daytime. When it's raining, you're not going to have to worry about it. But that is what the party deck looks like. Now, this one actually has the screen doors, which I think is a nice little option to have here when you have this party deck. Closes quite nicely. They're easy for loading and unloading your toys. Taking a look at this is your garage. This is meant so that you have a golf cart. You can actually bring that in here, tie it down. You can see it has table legs, so the table's gonna be nice and sturdy. This table's stored up above in that upper bed here. So you can actually have two beds back in this area. Also have a washer dryer connection over here on your right. Or actually, it'll be to your left. Now I know what you're saying. You're saying, Paul, nothing's different, but let's get into the good stuff. So as you know, you have your door going to the outside here, but here's where it gets different. Off of the garage is the master bedroom. But this has an actual queen size bed. You can actually expand that to a king if you wanted to. Good storage above there, and then access also to the storage back up there, which is the same storage you had out in the garage area. Nice blackout shades. Now with the queen bed, you can see you have your little nightstands. You remove the nightstands, you're able to have the king bed. Nice barn door. And then take a look at all that additional storage you have here in this bedroom. See, because you have two slides, you have opposing slides here. You have this side, and then of course you have your wardrobe side. So when they come in, they'll meet in the middle. So as you come in the main door, this is where the bathroom's going to be. The nice thing with the bathroom being right off the door, it makes it easy for accessibility when you're using it. And take a look at how big that shower is. Now, being that the fact that the bathroom is down on this level, you also have taller ceilings. So very useful shower, bathroom area. Really no need for that skylight, but and then notice that the shower curtain is curved.
Okay, and then the warranties.
Now, I know you probably have said, Paul, well, what else can this thing offer? As we're going up the steps into the front area, you can see you do have the central vacuum cleaner system. All your controls are going to be right on this wall. And then take a look at this. This is a front kitchen, living room area, all on the upper level of the coach. Take a look at all that counter space. Now, this thing has a dry weight of just over 14,000 pounds, and it has a gross vehicle weight rating of 21,000 pounds. This is 44 feet in length, so this is a massive unit, but look at all of the space that you're going to have. Of course, you have additional beds that pull out around here as well, giving you additional sleeping capacity. Now let's take a look at this Furrion residential style fridge. This is going to be a 12-volt fridge, but you're going to be able to go ahead and go camping for weeks in this unit. So one thing I skipped so far was the actual model number of this one. So this is the XLF 407, as you can see. Now let me show you the door side where you're going to be camping. Two massive awnings, as you can see, with the LED lights. I mean, for a 44-foot camper, I mean, heck, this looks like you have about 40 feet up underneath the awnings. Take a look at your outside entertainment area. Now this has three 7,000-pound axles, H-rated tires as well. Now take a look at this front storage. By the way, it is 6-point leveling system. Because of all the space here, look at all the storage you have. Great pass-through. Notice how that door stays up, and then this front door is actually magnetically held in place, so you're not having it waving in the wind. Okay, so let's take a look at the front. Of course, molded fiberglass cap. The reason why that's important is that puts your edge on the side instead of being on the front. And of course, you have the LED lights. Nice big window, as you saw when we were on the inside. But now this is going with a different generator. This is an inverter type generator. Benefit there, you've got better power. This is powered by Yamaha engine. It's gasoline. One thing I'm concerned about is where this exhaust is right here. But basically what you would want to do with that is maybe, if you had a concern with that, is have that exhaust into a 5-gallon bucket of water and you'd be fine. Or you can actually get some extensions to run it out here over top of the roof. One last look down the side of the coach. Okay, so now we're on the off-door side, kind of giving you kind of a peek at all the storage. Of course, your LCI screen, your auto leveling, everything's right in this area. Nice thing with this LCI screen is that you can program that to be on your phone. That way everything that's on that screen would be on your phone. As you can see, a 6-point leveling. I'd mentioned the 7,000-pound axles. By the way, this does have the tire pressure monitoring system on it. As you can see, the little green cap there, and it's on there, so you can actually have that for your truck there. And as I showed you back in the back there, that is the data room, so you can actually have an enclosed area there.
Keep thinking that I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends.